What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
Oh, that happened. My 10 years old son, he gets so crazy with Roblox, and he get so angry and smash. See that he did.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thanks.
Your iPad is ready, sir.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna see you again. Thanks.
You're welcome. You are here again, sir?
I told you I'm gonna be here again.
What happened this time?
This time, this fall down. This was not my issue, but the angries. So, but this fall down, and the
And you have another
unfortunately
one.
get another one. This one, that was my fault. I get tired from work, and I can notice it was in the couch. So I said, and I only heard there was the crack, and I'm
Don't worry.
here.
I got you. Ghost touching. Only this left from the home button. Time to fix this bad boy. Your iPad is ready, sir. This is the Roblox one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And the other one. And this one is ready too.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna keep him out of Roblox. Probably I'm gonna see you again. Thanks.
You're welcome.